Chapter 7 Geometry. Solids. Plane shapes and solid shapes. Children, do you remember plane shapes and solid shapes? Yes, ma'am. A shape which has only length and breadth is called a plane shape, and a shape which has length, breadth, and height is called a solid shape. For example, my pencil box is a solid shape, but a paper from my notebook represents a plane shape. Very good. Can you tell about faces, edges, and corners of different solid shapes? In a cube, every face is a square, and in a cuboid, every face is a rectangle. Both have 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. In a cone, there are 2 faces, one plane and one curved, one edge and a vertex. In a cylinder, there are 3 faces, 2 plane faces and one curved face, and 2 edges. It has no vertex. A sphere is all round. It has only one curved face. It has no edge, no vertex. Excellent! Today we will learn about surface. Different solids have different types of faces and edges. Ma'am, what is surface? The part of a solid which we usually see and touch is called its surface. An object may have different types of surfaces. Figures having plane or flat surface. The floor, top of a table, dice, and the blackboard has only plain flat surfaces. Figures having curved surface. A ball, an orange, the globe, an egg, and an electric bulb all have only curved surfaces. Figures having both plane and curved surface. A candle, pencil, battery cell, and chalk all have both plane and curved surfaces. Point, line, and line segment. Children, today we will learn about basic points of geometry. Let's learn geometry starting with a point. Point. We use a small dot to represent a point. A point has no size and named by a capital letter. The points shown here are point A and point B. Line. A line is formed by joining unlimited number of points together. It has no end or beginning point. It can be extended to any length in both the directions. The line shown below is line AB or AB. Line segment. A line segment is a part of a line. It has a fixed length. It has 2 endpoints. Line segment AB is represented as AB. Remember, AB is equal to BA. Measuring and drawing line segments. Let's learn to measure the length of a given line segment AB in centimeters. We use a scale to measure the line segments. Place the edge of the scale showing centimeters along the line segment AB. Adjust the scale in such a way that the 0 mark of the scale is at the point A. Read the scale at the point B. Here, the mark on the scale is at 6 centimeter. So, the length of given line segment AB is 6 centimeter. Now we will learn to draw a line segment of a given length, say 5 centimeter. Place and press the scale on the paper. Then mark 2 points A and B against the marks 0 and 5 of the scale. Keeping the scale evenly, move the pencil from A to B along the edge of the scale. So, the line segment AB is of length 5 cm. Open and closed figures. Look at the figures shown on the board. All these shapes are made by lines in which a set of points change their direction. These figures have the same starting and end point. Thus, these are closed figures. Now, look at these figures. All these figures have different end points. These figures do not end at the starting point. Hence, these are called open figures. Symmetry. What is symmetry? Symmetry, well, an object or thing is said to be symmetrical when both of its halves are exactly the same. Patterns. Patterns are found everywhere around us, whether it may be in numbers, designs, etc. They are made in a regular or logical form or order and are mostly repetitive. Look at some patterns shown below. Tangram. Tangram is a classical Chinese game of shapes and its pieces are called tans. It comprises of 5 or 7 pieces which can multiply into hundreds of innovative designs. Tilling. When a design is made using only one shape, it is called tilling. Tilling designs are possible when they are made of shapes that fit into one another without any gap or overlapping.